Welcome to Lesson 5. In the previous lesson, we discussed the monitoring and evaluation, accountability review, and partners review. In this lesson, we will learn about how a grant review meeting addresses significant factors that affect the program, donor reporting, and relations. First, we look into significant factors that affect the program. The significant factors can be split into two. There are some internal factors which are within our grasp and control, and some external factors that are outside our control. Internal factors may be review procurement plans and identify the challenges that you may anticipate. Procurement is an internal process, and we might have challenges keeping to our procurement plan. This is something we can deal with by having a conversation with the procurement department and better understanding lead times and when goods and services will reach their respective destinations. Second, review recruitment plans and where we are in filling vacant positions. During program implementation, there might be situations in which staff will leave the organization or a new grant comes online and we need new talent to fill those positions. Best practice is to have a recruitment plan which drives recruitment for a project. But in the event of challenges in this area, then this is something we must discuss with the HR and collectively come up with solutions. Third, multi-sectoral complexity is also relevant here. Say we have a project with different sectors in the same location, say for example, WASH and education. These different sectors have different technical advisors, different indicators to track, different partner visit schedules which all need to be organized for smooth implementation. And lastly, another internal factor is multi-location complexities. If we have one big grant implemented in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, South Sudan, each country has their own management structures, and so grant review meetings may occur at regional level in addition to the country level. Please see the Grant Management Manual for special guidance on how we might structure grant review meetings for such complex projects. Next, we look into the external factors. External factors may be security, context of implementation which may vary from area to area, donor strategic priorities which do not shape to some extent the nature of our implementation. Any other external factors out of our control should also be acknowledged here, like COVID-19. Next, we look into donor reporting and relations. In this part, the following needs to be done with regard to donor reporting and relations. First, we want to look at when the next report is due. Are we aware of that deliverable? If there are any delayed reports in the current month or the current period, we need to ask ourselves why and then evaluate and identify what the risks and challenges are present to prevent us from reporting on time. Second, are outstanding reports. For instance, if we are supposed to submit a monthly report and we have not submitted in 2 months, then why is that? Who is responsible? And also, when will those reports be submitted? Next, if there are any changes in the reporting schedule, we want to recognize them. If we are approved a no-cost extension, for example, that would mean the final report would be pushed out and we need to readjust or change the reporting schedule. Then comes confirmation of the reporting template with its donor-specific indicators and metrics. In terms of reporting, donors are very particular regarding the templates that we use and how we present the information that we report to them. So it is important to confirm the right template. A related point is to ensure that the authors of the donor report know to present the content in donor-specific language, all the while maintaining high quality before it goes to the donor. And lastly, confirmation of reporting responsibilities will be crucial to ensure consistent understanding of who is preparing, reviewing, approving, and submitting reports. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we will discuss some red flags and their mitigation strategies. Till then, stay with us and complete the quiz. Thank you.